Are you getting the same problem like me? The indicator light on one side is flashing normally, so that's all good. However, when I turn the indicator on the other side, on the right side, it's flashing twice as fast. So this indicates to me there's a problem. So let's find out. So I've just moved to the front of the car. This is where the problem is. The light bulb here is not working. So the reason why it's not flashing, it could be one of three reasons. So one of the three reasons why this happens, one being indicator bolt is blown. 2, indicator cable connection is faulty. And the third reason is incorrect voltage going to the light bulb.